An organized home is a happy home, but sometimes the way we try to organize can actually make things worse. Today, we're diving into the 11 most common organizing mistakes that could be sabotaging your efforts, and how to fix them. Want to finally banish the clutter and create a calm, tidy space you love? Start by avoiding these mistakes. 1. Trying to organize everything at once. Decluttering your whole house in one day. Sounds like a dream, but it's a fast track to burnout. Instead, focus on one room or even one drawer at a time to see real, lasting progress. 2. Not decluttering before organizing. Organizing clutters like rearranging deck chairs on a sinking ship. Always declutter first, then organize what's left. 3. Buying storage bins too soon. Tempted to buy all those pretty baskets? Hold on. First, sort and measure. Then buy containers that actually fit your space and your needs. 4. Overcomplicating your system. Labels, bins, color codes. It's easy to get carried away. Keep your system simple so it's easy to stick with over time. 5. Ignoring vertical space. Are you only using floor and shelf space? Walls, backs of doors, and inside cabinets are valuable real estate. Use them. 6. Not having a home for everything. When things don't have a designated spot, clutter creeps in. Give every item a home so cleanup becomes automatic. 7. Storing items where they're inconvenient. Putting things far from where you use them leads to piles. Keep frequently used items close to where you need them. 8. Ignoring the kitchen shelf chaos. Is your kitchen a battlefield? Stacked, unsteady, and impossible to navigate? Use risers, lazy Susans, and clear bins to tame the kitchen carnage. 9. Holding on to just-in-case items. That just-in-case pile? It's usually a clutter trap. Be honest about what you actually use and let go of the rest. 10. Forgetting to maintain the system. Organizing isn't a one-time project. It's a habit. Schedule quick weekly check-ins to reset and keep things tidy. 11. Thinking it has to be perfect. Striving for Pinterest perfection can paralyze you. Aim for functional and calm, not flawless. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Avoid these 11 common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to a truly organized, peaceful home. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more home organization tips.